Why are West Houston businesses suddenly in the crosshairs of a new ransomware gang? After BlackSuit's takedown, a group called Chaos has stepped in, and their tactics are nastier than ever. Cybercrime doesn't sleep, and neither do ransomware gangs. After law enforcement busted the infamous BlackSuit group, a new player has emerged: Chaos. They're targeting local businesses with sophisticated phishing, sneaky remote access, and ransomware that slips past antivirus tools like a ghost. The worst part? Victims aren't just paying for a decryptor. Chaos throws in a bogus security review as part of their $300,000 shakedown. Impress IT Solutions in West Houston is seeing these attacks up close, especially in construction, manufacturing, and logistics. Our team is fighting back with 24/7 monitoring, endpoint protection, and hands-on training to keep your staff sharp. Don't wait for chaos to come knocking. Call Impress IT Solutions today for a free risk assessment. Let's lock down your business before ransomware gets a foothold.